Hi guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Today guys, I would like to welcome you to the next edition of Throwback Thursday. Throwback Thursday is where I find crafty ideas that are at least 2 years old and share them with you today. Today's crafty, Throwback Thursday are tub teas. We will be making 2 flavors today. One is going to be a relaxing flavor and one is going to be a revitalizing flavor. Now before we get started, I just want to tell you about this book. This book was my introduction to essential oils and things like aromatherapy. Well, here it is, the Book of Essential Oils and Aromatherapy. And this one is by Valerie Ann Woodward. I've had this book about 20 years, so if this is something that you think you may be interested in, I highly recommend this particular book. Okay, for the first one, we're going to do relaxing, and what you're going to need is a bowl with some measuring spoons or cups or whatever. And you're going to need some tea bags, and these are the large tea bags. And you're going to also need your flowers or your botanicals. So today's botanicals are, let me bring these to the front here. They are, this is a ½ cup of dried roses. This is a ½ cup of chamomile, and this is 1 cup of lavender. Lavender in particular, lavender and chamomile together are known as relaxing aromatherapy treatments. So in a bowl, you're just going to combine them all. And you can either do this with your hand or with a spoon or something. If you're going to be selling them, I guess you would do it with a spoon. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells awesome. Okay, here are our botanicals. Now the only thing that's left to do is to bag them. I have a large tea bag here. Let me see if I can get it open. Everything is always more difficult when you're on camera. I should have just taken this off. Oh, good, the thing came loose. So I can take this tea bag, ½ cup of the botanicals, and just fill them, put them in the tea bag. And let me fill the rest of these, and I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I got 6 tea bags out of that first batch. And if you would like to give these as a gift to somebody, and you think they may need a little extra relaxation, or what's the other word, detoxing, Epsom salt is a good thing to add to this tea bag. And I have some Epsom salt here on my desk, and this is 1/4 cup. You just put 1/4 cup of Epsom salt in the bag. Now you don't have to put that in there. You can if you want to, because I'm just saying, like, you just don't know. Everybody don't keep Epsom salt in the house, you know, and a lot of people may not even know the benefits of soaking in Epsom salt, or, you know, because a lot of people, as far as I know, they don't even like to take baths. They like doing showers, because like, well, you take a bath, you're sitting in dirty water, but you never said that, you know, as a kid growing up, you didn't think about sitting in dirty water. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I just got this kind of old pillowcase right here, and we're going to see. Let's do an easy one first, because this just has the botanicals in it, and all we're going to do is lay it flat. Let me get my iron here. It's been heating up, and I'm going to take the iron and seal it like so. And it's sealed. It's not gonna come open. Now let's take one with the salt in it, the Epsom salt. put it as flat as I can without any of the goodness coming out. And I'm going to seal it with this iron. And it is sealed. I'm going to go and finish the rest of these off camera. Be right back. Okay, and here you have it. We have the 6 tea bags. We have a few with the salt, the Epsom salt, and as you see, they are completely sealed. And we have some that don't have Epsom salt in it, just botanicals. Now, how you would use these is 2 ways. You could just drop these in your bath water while it's running, while it's not running, and enjoy your soak. Or you can actually steep this in like 2 or 3 cups of water, put the boiling water on it, put something over the top of the dish that you're boiling it in, or I'm sorry, that you're steeping it in. Once it's steep, you can just pour the liquid in your bath, or just pour the liquid along with the tub tea, with the tea bag itself, in your bath and enjoy. Just once you hop out the tub, just throw the tea bag away, and that's it. So that is the one for the relaxing tub tea. Now we're going to do one for the invigorating. Okay guys, next is the invigorating tub tea. We have 1/4 cup of spearmint, 1/4 cup of rosemary, and 1/2 cup of rose. Now, I'm sure that you can double or even triple these. These are just what you can do right now if you just want to try these, okay? I brought back my bowl that I was just using. I didn't clean it out or anything, but you guys remember I told you that with those, or with that grouping of botanicals that I had, that you can make several different things. But this is one of those things, because remember we used the rose in the relaxing one. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and I'm just gonna take my hand and mix this. It's not rocket science. And if you have the essential oils will do the same thing. Or even if you want to, you can even add a rose essential oil or rosemary, whichever scent I think you prefer. You can actually add that essential oil to this, the botanicals, if you want. So I'm taking again the tea bag, and we're gonna put 1/2 cup ish in each one. And I don't do a whole lot of exact measurements. I'm just putting it in because we need 1/2 cup in each one. Let's get another one. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're going to do this one. And since there's such a little bit left, I'm going to just take that and divide it among the 3 tea bags that we have. Let me see if I can get it in here. And then I'll just divide it among the 3. Now, this is not an exact science, guys. Okay, we're going to put some in here. And put some in this one. And we're going to put the last of it in this one. There we go. And again, if you want the Epsom salt, let me just reach down to my little container here of Epsom salt. And I'm just going to do one this time. I got, see, it's not even really measured, but 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup, whatever, Epsom salt. I'm just going to put it in this one right here. There we go. Let me go ahead on and wheel this. Wheel it. We put that right there. For right now, let me get my pillowcase right here, and let's get these bags sealed. Okay, this is the one with the Epsom salt, and I probably should have put less Epsom salt. I put a half a cup. Probably should have put a quarter cup, but we're gonna see if we can get this thing sealed anyway. How about that? All right, here's the iron. I'm just gonna do it like this so I can get it. There we go. Sealed. Okay, let's do these two right here. Sealed. Last one. Sealed. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Okay, guys, so this is our Throwback Thursday for this week. What did I do with the tea bags? Oh, hold on. Okay, guys, here you go. We have the relaxing tub teas on the side, and we have the invigorating ones on the side. So that is our Throwback Thursday episode for today. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel. Also, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.